muragiye kumviriza akaririmbo keza cyane, akaririmbo karyoshe waymaker aracinzira waymaker ya nakaririmbo mugiye gusobanurirwa na wa muhinyanyuzi Samuel umwe yabemera ko agiye kuza arabahereza uturirimbo dusobanuye.
You are here,
uri hano
moving in our midst.
Ibiri hagati yacu.
I worship you,
ndaguhimbaza,
I worship you.
ndaguhimbaza.
You are here,
uri gukorera muri kino kibanza. Ndaguhimbaza, ndaguhimbaza kabisa. Uri hano ukuraho ibiri hagati yacu bitugeramiye. Ndaguhimbaza, ndaguhimbaza. Uri hano uri gukorera muri kino kibanza. Ndaguhimbaza, ndaguhimbaza. Ucinzira ugakora ibitangaza, utwemerera umucyo ahari umwijima. Mana yanjye aho uri, ucinzira ugakora ibitangaza, ukatwemerera umucyo ahari umwijima. Mana yanjye aho uri, uri hano
touching every heart.
Ndaguhimbaza,
ndaguhimbaza. I worship you. You are here,
uri kukiza,
here in every heart.
ndaguhimbaza,
I worship you.
ndaguhimbaza,
I worship you.
ndaguhimbaza.
You are here, turning lives around. I worship you,
hano duherereye.
I worship you. You are here,
uri hano
mending every heart.
uriko usanasana kira mutima wari wo
I
wose.
worship you.
Ndaguhimbaza, ndaguhimbaza.
We make a miracle walker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. We make a miracle walker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You wipe away all tears. You mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all. Jesus, you wipe away all tears. You mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all. To it all, Jesus. Light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. You are here, touching every life.
Ndaguhimbaza, ndaguhimbaza. Uri hano, uri kuvuga,
meeting every need. I worship you. I worship you.
uri kubura n'uwari we wese agukeneye. Urakoze kuba uri kuradukurikirana gira like na share na subscribe. Ni kuri YouTube ni Samuel TV.